Oh, there it is. It's parked right here. Oh, it's gonna pass by.
Mm-hmm.
All them tourists.
Mustang.
What?
Good. I want to get a picture of you then.
Come on, focus. Camera lost focus for some reason.
Good alarm out.
Yeah, it's not focusing anymore. Huh.
Probably too far. If it gets too far, then if you're too zoomed in, it won't focus.
Oh.
You get a picture of these guys.
Oh, these guys?
Yeah. The veterans.
Oh, damn it. Now they move. Sure, right way of focusing. You know what? It doesn't matter. Yeah, picture. There. Oh, they're all scattered.
These are the unexpected ones that are on the best.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the next wave. You're doing the car keys. Right,
Okay.